Hey, what's up, guys? This is Robo Trader. I hope you can hear me clearly. Lately, there's been a lot of difficulty, technical issues while live streaming due to the internet connectivity issues going on over here. Probably because some pretty smart asshole decided to put some jammers up somewhere far ahead, and because of that, the internet sucks over here. But trying to overcome that situation. As for now, let's quickly jump into what's moving the market. First of all, welcome back. And yes, I will, as I said yesterday, on my message on my Telegram group. So if you're not there, please join it. It's absolutely free. The link is given down in the bio. I mentioned that I will be doing my 2-hourly New York and London stream daily as scheduled from now onwards, without any interruption. So that means lots of opportunities are ahead. 2025 is full of surprises, right? Tariffs, gold standards getting revised, and what's next? Maybe a new war front opening somewhere in Taiwan, China, God knows. But you know what? We're gonna make profit out of every situation. First of all, I need you guys to like the video. So here's the thing. From now onward, if you guys need a free signal, then you guys need to leave 10 likes. Yes, 10 likes equals to 1 free signal. And I earlier on in my London session, which I started late, I talked about a lot of important stuff. And some of the most important stuff that currently is driving the market. One of them is tariffs. Another one is gold getting revalued, yes. And lots of stuff. I mean, where do I even start? So let's just, without any doubts, guesses, second thoughts, let's just look at gold. What's happening on gold? I mean, just look at your own screen. I have this 4-hourly Bitcoin right now, which is as much important as it's more important than gold. Let's quickly jump on to this. Why Bitcoin is more important than gold? First of all, it's more liquid, it has more volume, and it gives you profit, it makes you money. Whereas gold, it doesn't move, or if it moves in a way that it hits your stop loss, and then it decides, okay, now I'm gonna drop. So, and you are like, really, what the hell? Yep, that's exactly what's happening right now. Earlier on, I was in a short position over here. I got stopped out, but there's a saying, never chase your losses. So that's exactly what I'm doing over here. On the same side, I had a sell running on AUD. So if you're watching this and live subscriber, quickly you know what to do. I'm switching this off, and boom, that was a premium signal, by the way. If you saw it, definitely you know what to do. So yes, this is what I'm talking about. AUD is declining on 1 hourly, clearly being visible right now, but on the same hand, gold is going up, more of like trying to create a scenario, a situation in which it will go up and it will drop down. But here's the thing, today's Tuesday, right? Tomorrow, just right before 2 hours before the market bell closes, the market bell rings, we're gonna receive FOMC meeting minutes. Now, what does that has to do with? Today and this week? First of all, let's go way back in time. I'm talking about December 2024. This is right before the, just a week before, like somewhere like 1 week before the FOMC meeting minutes, and we saw a China stimulus. China was buying, and just before, like Thursday, Friday started. I mentioned this a lot of times, but you need to understand, history repeats itself. Thursday, Friday, it declined, and as soon as we were, the day, just like tomorrow, Wednesday, FOMC minute, boom, it went up. And the same scenario is building up right now. This was Thursday, Friday. Okay, now the only difference is that this drop on Thursday, Friday was followed up by a what do you call, on Monday, a consolidating range on Monday. Whereas on the same side, since we are not in the Biden era, we are in Trump era. So the same scenario is gonna happen. This was around Thursday, Friday, right? this area around over here is Thursday, Friday. Okay, let me signify, because you know, I know a lot of people will say, oh look, he's talking shit. No, you'll come back again, watch the stream. I've been doing this shit for God knows, you know, how long. There's a pattern. We live in a fucking matrix. We live in a matrix. Nothing is real. Everything is a fucking code. Yeah, call me crazy. But you know, if you're trading this long in the market, you'll turn crazy, man. I mean, the market will drive you crazy. You'll start seeing stuff right before it's happening, right? You'll be like, I can see stuff happening just right in front of me, but it's not happening. It's happening, but it's not happening. And here's the drop. Where's the drop? You guys need to figure it out, right? I give all the clues in the London session. Trust me, the more you dig into this, the more crazy the theory gets. But here's the good part. Nobody is forcing you to believe what I'm saying. You will only believe it once it's there. Just like the same time, last time, sorry. Nobody believed me, but they believed when it was over. So, you know, that's exactly what happens. When prophecies are given, nobody believes, but once they come true, they're like, oh, he said. Once it's a lucky guess. Twice is a lucky guess. Thrice is not a lucky guess. And guess, we didn't came all this way just on guesses, right? This was all planned. It was everything you saw over here has happened in the past and has happened before that, and it's a cycle. It's a non-stop, not repeating, repetitive cycle. All you need to do is sink into the matrix and you will start seeing the codes. Anyways, now let's just move on to the part where you start making money, right? Because that's the stuff you are here for. So here we go. I'm talking about my weekly plan. Okay, and my weekly plan can be your weekly plan. All you need to is follow. When do we have FOMC? Wednesday. Okay, 2 hours before the bell closes. After that, what do we have? Donald Trump, he's gonna speak. Okay, besides that, FOMC members, especially Delhi, she have lots to say, lots to tweet. Besides that, unemployment claims. Besides that, the entire Friday we have Euro, GBP and USD PMI, flash PMI coming in. Now, where do we stand? First of all, those PMIs are gonna trigger, what they're gonna trigger? Inflation. Inflation is already too hot, and with the current scenario, ongoing scenario, with the gold getting revised, it's all gonna spark and add up to the fuel. Why is that? First of all, that why will be answered shortly. I am bringing up a video. Yes, I'm currently making a video on that, and it's gonna be delivered. No promises. I'll just try to deliver it today or tomorrow. But anyways, here's the good part. If you waited this long, okay, and you watched, you probably know what's happening. Now I know that the hardest thing to do is to exactly enter and exit with profits. Now how will you achieve that? Simple answer. The same way you're gonna achieve your goals, your life goals. You do it when you're gonna quietly enter a trade. When you're gonna enter it? When everybody is getting out. Okay, what the hell is he saying? Yeah, exactly what you heard. You wanna enter exactly when everybody is getting out. Exactly when nobody wants to sell, you will sell. I learned my lesson over here, but I'm not gonna keep on repeating those mistakes over and over again. This was a small lesson. Yeah, we need to update ourselves. The hardest thing to do right now, exactly on this area, is to let it run. You think, okay, it's gonna go up. You say, okay, I'm gonna come back after 4-5 hours. I'm gonna short it from here. And guess what? When you come back, damn, it hit 20 and 98. Exactly what I'm saying. I was waiting for the New York Open. So New York opens and we finally get a retracement down till this area around 28, 90, 91. And now the biggest question was, how will we get there? And the answer to that was New York. And then another question arise was, how is New York gonna drop the price down when we have no high impact news today, but we have it on tomorrow? Okay, so everything is scheduled for tomorrow. So what's gonna happen that the price is gonna start falling down? And the answer to that all lies in the FOMC meeting minutes. The fear of FOMC meeting minutes is gonna send the gold price down. Given that we have tariffs, given that currently the market is, there are fears looming. Okay, maybe United, it says they revalue the gold. So what's gonna happen then? The fear of holding on to a gold before everything becomes more expensive. But the biggest question is what the central bank will do. Will central bank just watch you make money? Will central bank just watch you buy gold? I mean, I'm not talking about the physical gold. I'm talking about the paper money, ETFs. You buy at a high price and you think this is gonna go up. No, central banks are gonna short sell this. As I said, central banks can see each and every position clear as crystal, clear as a glass of water. And if you get in on a buy over here, you will get in a trouble. So what you need to do, if you want to buy, you will buy when nobody wants to buy, and you will sell when nobody wants to sell. Now these things doesn't make sense, but it will make sense to all those new traders out there. They will never get what I'm saying. But if you are old enough, if you survived the good, the bad, and the ugly days in the market, then definitely you know what I'm talking about. Listen, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much money you made. It's all about basic instinct. It's all about survival instincts. It's all about surviving the harsh realities of this market. And the harshest and the biggest life lessons you get is from live accounts, not on paper account. Now there's a difference in opinion. Everybody has their own opinion, disregard of the situation they are in. But I say, learn from your mistakes, but please always trade on live account. Even if you have the smallest amount of money, put something and learn. Okay, let's talk about what's gonna happen. I am doing this analysis. I'm not uploading any weekly analysis videos. So whenever I come online, the first 15 minutes I try to give the analysis. Then I move on to the boring part. Right, the boring part is giving the signal. Exactly, you can enter a sell over here, but I'll wait till the New York market. Now what does the stock exchange has to do with gold and Bitcoin? First of all, Bitcoin price is valued against the stock market right now because a lot of major companies like MSCR, BlackRock, they are into gold ETFs. Bitcoin ETFs. Currently, the Nvidia, after losing $600 billion in a single day, the biggest loss in the history of US stock exchange, they are in a recovery phase. I think this is the third week of the recovery, and they were way back. And you think that they were not involved? Surely after 3-4 years, we all gonna listen that, oh, Nvidia, they did this intentionally. But everybody knows how rich people make money. They make money by liquidating their shares, liquidating their companies, and then buying everything back at a really low price. So if you think that this was just a mere coincidence, you are wrong. This is exactly how these people make money. Now coming back to gold, and before I start further on explaining what's happening in the market, okay, so here's the thing. This is a 5-minute, right? This is a 1 hourly. Alright. So on a 1 hourly, this is a Fibonacci. If you do the exact Fibonacci, you see the all-time high we have around 29.45 43, not precisely 29.42 or something, exactly over here. Now given that we are near all-time high, everybody would be buying, right? That's not the important part. The important part is to see what's ahead. We have FOMC ahead on Wednesday, right? We have Donald Trump, we have ceasefire talks being held in UAE and in Europe regarding the we have peace talks, ceasefire negotiation talks being going on right now in UAE and Europe, especially in France. They're trying to put some sense into Zelensky. And in the middle of all of this, if you're buying gold just because some smart, somebody spread this rumor that gold is getting revalued, yes. But the important thing is looking ahead. It's like a chess game. You have to look at 10 moves ahead. If you can't see that, how will you make profit? Just buying and selling won't put you in a profitable spot. Okay, I definitely can say, okay, enter a sell right now. I'm not joking. Enter a sell over here. Exactly over here. Enter a sell now. I'll see how you are in a loss. Enter now. Yes, you heard me. Enter a sell at 29.20. Right? It's 7 p.m. over here, local time, right? Exactly over. Enter a short. People are thinking I'm joking. Enter a sell over here. I'll see how you can make money. I hear people talk shit. Enter a sell, fucking, and sell it. I'm here. I'm just doing some important stuff. All you need to do is enter a sell. Oh, it's going up. Why you're making me sell? Don't think too much. You won't understand. Even if I explain it to you, you won't understand it. It's not about, no, I'm not stupid. No, it's not being about stupid. It's market experience. You have to unsee what you see and see what you can see. Now you think what I said right now. You have to unsee what you see and you see, and you can't, so you can see what you can't fucking see. Holy shit, sometimes I come up with really nice shit. Right? Dang. Okay, so here we are. Now you will say, it's going up, why are you making me sell? I'll ask you after 15 minutes. Now since you have done this, I need you to divert your attention towards somewhere far more important. Exactly, Bitcoin. Okay, so what's happening on Bitcoin? Nope, you're not losing money. Stop talking shit. I know. So, yeah, the people act like children. So here's the stuff. Odd USD, yeah, Odd USD. Thank you for reminding me. Odd USD is going down. Exactly, you can enter on Odd USD sell if you want to. Those of you who are watching can definitely look into this. So now here's the thing. Elliott wave, I've been following Elliott wave. But here's the concern. I just can't buy before FOMC. There's this thing. I heard this long time ago from a guy who spent nearly 2 decades in the market. He said, when market wants to move in a specific way, right before something major, it moves in an exactly opposite direction. So exactly over here, listen, this was a different scenario. Now I know a lot of people are saying gold is gonna keep on going up, but you know, there's this thing, even the market is saying, even Goldman is saying that okay, gold target is to 3100 now. You know, this is the thing that's driving me, you know, nuts, is that no G baby to the moon. Hey Michael, what's up? Nat gas. Yeah, buddy, I said it long time ago. So it's already on the moon. Here it is. I've been saying this for quite some long time. I've been holding on to this buy. I don't think I just don't even care, man. People who agree, good. If they don't agree, it's okay. I've been selling this also, but it's already, man. Nobody wants to know. I mean, it's like ignoring your problems. No, it's gonna go up. Natural gas was way cheaper over here, and you know, people didn't realize it. They think that okay, the temperature is gonna get warm, is gonna solve all problems. No, go read his stuff. You'll be horrified. You'll never close this damn buy then. That's how scary stuff is looking right now. If this negotiations, you know, Europe fucked itself with the net gas supply and everything else. Simple as that. But going on, let's go back to gold, because gold is so crazy, baby, crazy. So here's the stuff about gold. Gold will never ever even give you a chance if you think okay, I'm just gonna buy exactly at this, is this high. Nope. Even sell, you know, even if you want to sell it, you need balls to do that. Yes, I'm saying balls, literally. Why? Because look at this. Who in their right mind would sell gold when it's going up? I'll tell you, me. Why is that? Go read the stuff. And then look at FOMC. If, as I said, if gold wanted to go up, further up, the drop on Friday, Thursday, we would get a huge drop way down till here, somewhere around here. But it didn't. What we got is lower low and a lower high. Now this is concerning. This is, you know, this is what I was earlier on today talking in the meeting with the guys in the Asian session, was this area when it dropped down. Okay, it dropped down to a certain price level. Okay, and that gave a guarantee that the price will further, you know, keep on moving the upward momentum. This trend line was a guarantee, like okay, things are calm now, start buying. But this over here, there is no trend line. Okay, there is a trend line. Where is it? I can't see it. The trend line broke, is going up again. But here's the question. We needed this drop on Thursday, Friday, the drop somewhere around 27, 28 or 27, 2700 exactly. So we would say, okay, now the gold price will go up. But gold is up there. And now Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, we know, it's like everybody is talking about gold prices is gonna go up. I mean, when was the last time when everybody started talking, you know, started being so optimistic about gold, and all of a sudden it started dropping, and then you're sitting there and wondering what the hell I did wrong. I mean, the market was optimistic, right? Everybody was talking, and then why in just one day, $100, $150, $40 drop happened. This is exactly what they do. When you want to hunt a retailer, you feed into the data, you feed into the matrix the exactly kind of a data that will, you know, make retailers eager to buy and buy more, because they will feel missing out. And that's exactly that's been going on since Tokyo session. I mean, there's no denying fact that they did make some profits over here, but at the same time, when you see these huge moves down here, these huge as candles that takes everything down in just 5 minutes, you'll be like talking to yourself like, yes, you know, maybe I should calm down. Look at these. upward momentum. Look at these 1 hourly candles. Look at these 1 hourly candles, the way they're moving up like a slow turtle. Look at this. Drop, pull back, goes up. Look at this, and look at this drop. It will take a decade to head back here, and it will take some few moments to just boom down. Everything's down. Then you'll be like, okay, I should sell. And where will you decide to sell it? Over here. And guess what? It will be too late. Oh, what should I do now? Sell over here? I mean, I have already. I mean, why not? What do we have to lose? We're already near all-time high. If you lose, you lose a few $100. But if you will make it just like we did the last time on Friday and several times before that, you surely you won't regret it. You won't even regret it. But you know what? You all people are wise enough to make your own financial choices. Tariffs. Let's talk about tariffs. Euro USD. My most favorite pair. What have you seen? What have you learned on Euro USD? Have you learned something? What, especially in Trump era? Yes, I made this a while ago, but here is Trump 1.0 and here is Trump 2.0, and this is all fucking Biden. What do you see over here? In Trump era, Euro USD was just flying. Donald Trump wrecked Euro USD. It was just all flying up. Back before that, this was way in COVID. It just started dropping, right? COVID was like, meh. I mean, this is also the time he was around, but especially around here on Euro USD. COVID, I won't say anything because COVID, the situation wasn't caused by Trump. COVID was all natural, all China, and that triggered a spark in, you know, the Euro USD, the safe haven dollar. That was all on the China, but this was all on Trump, and he just wrecked everything. And in about 4 to 5 months, we saw Euro USD pumping up, and just around the same time, what do we have? We see Euro USD going up. Now this is something my mentor used to say. You know, my mentor, he was buying Euro USD all this COVID era 2020, they wait till 2021, and he was just aggressively buying in it, and all Euro USD was doing was dropping. It just dropped, and it didn't even fucking care. But exactly when it was the time to buy, he just gave up. He said, no, I'm not gonna buy now. And that's where I jumped in. I was selling over here and I was buying over here now. Now exactly around here at the same time, when Trump announced his tariffs, I mean, already in January, when as soon as he was in the house, tariffs, this, tariff that, I said, this bastard is gonna, you know, make everything worse. Listen, a weak dollar is good for third world countries, and that is exactly what is gonna happen right now. Dollar is gonna become weak in the international market, which is right now, dollar is weak. Okay, in a lot of countries who are currently facing high inflationary situation, maybe the dollar doesn't become cheap, it stays where it is. But what benefit you guys will take it that you have to utilize your money and change it into a physical asset in any metal form, either silver or gold, or either buy anything. I mean, it can be crypto or something, but something that gives you value, add ups to the value in your portfolio. Please don't try to, you know, chase your losses. And if you really want to make your portfolio great again, or, you know, just like we make America great again, Pro Wolf Trader, make your portfolio great again. Yeah, I usually came up with crazy shit during the time when I stream. So this is exactly the area where you wanna, you know, enter a buy. But if you really want to, you know, You can join the premium. Same again, I'm selling. This is my selling pitch. Yes. It's my selling pitch. But anyways, jokes apart, please try to take your trading seriously. We all work really hard. And if something that I have learned is that you can do much better in a team of individuals rather than just trading by yourself. It helps you a lot, saves your time, gives you less stress, so you can go and enjoy your life. But that's up to you. If you want to take all that work and stress, then it's a good thing. Maybe you can learn to manage it. But strictly, let's head back to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, where the last time I was like showing you guys this chart was it did a pullback around this zone around 96,000, and it just went back up, and we have around 1 hour 45 minutes left for everything to start going up again. So till then you guys can decide what to do and what not to do. More of a Christopher Lauren situation. But if you're asking me, yes, I'm on a buy since here. Where's my stop loss? Yes, it was wide, but my stop loss is mostly most of my trades are at break even right now. But I have this over here, so I can show you where my stop loss was. And this is a premium signal, by the way. It was given to each and every individual who is in this what do you say, premium subscription. So they are making money. This is my this chart is a live proof. I mean, I don't need to show it, but you need to see what you are missing. Gold, again, I'm saying nobody will have the guts to sell gold now, and it will start dropping. Let me remove this so you guys can clearly see exactly. Yep, see this. Now the drop will come around 20 I said. Yeah, this zone I said to sell. Put a stop loss wherever you want, but if you sell from here and don't make money, come back and fucking curse me. But exactly, I mean, this is exactly where nobody wants to enter a sell. This is exactly where everybody will enter a buy. Why? Because this is a key Fibonacci zone. First, secondly, it is near that specific structure where the 1 hourly pushes the candle upwards, and exactly will do the opposite. Now come, just watch this 1 hourly candle close somewhere below 29.12, 29.10, and it will all spark up a new debate. Oh, look, it's going down now. Then soon the FOMO, the sellers are gonna get in. Why? Because FOMC minute, get in. Everybody missed this buy, but everybody was surely waiting for this drop. This was a consolidating range. This was exactly the consolidate. This blue zone is a consolidating range. What you see over here, this is the start of a FOMC. This Friday, this is the start of the FOMC drop. Okay, the market gave you a time and a right area to get in a sell again, but nobody's gonna tell you. You have to figure that out yourself. And you can walk away with the profits on Wednesday, but surely on the long run, definitely you need to stay updated in a nice community. If you are somebody who is not watching or reading everything at the same time, then get yourself in a nice community or learn to utilize the AI tools. 1 hourly is dropping. Here we have it. All you need to do is give it some time and just let everything, let the gravity do its thing. Gravity will surely take the price down. How far further downwards, I don't know, but surely today on intraday I can say somewhere between 2880 to 2890. Then of course Wednesday will FOMC meeting minutes will do its thing. It can, even during the Tokyo and London session, it can spark up a short sell scenario, which can, further on create create a situation where mostly everybody will trying to jump and take as much as profit on the short sell, but then it will already be too late. Mostly the guys who were early on the sell will take the big profit, but nevertheless everybody will be making profits. So that's how I see the market. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I'm gonna be ending stream now because I decided I'm gonna stream 1 hour only, because I have to go work and I have some other important stuff that I'm currently hooked on to. So yeah, and I will, as I said, I will, even if it's for 1 hourly, I will stream. It's mostly because people, they message me that why I'm not streaming, but when I stream they're never here. So this is why I reduced my stream timing. Also I'm work busy, that's why too. I'm more busy than you even think I am. This 1 hourly is way too much. Okay, here's this Bitcoin price going up, because I'm saying that if I'm streaming over here, nobody's watching, then it's better I go give my time to myself. I can I can do far much better, but I do it for you people, and you people are not here to watch it. If you take me for granted, then I will take you guys for granted, because I am like this. Exactly as I said. And this is a bubble, by the way. If Bitcoin starts to go up, and it goes up in a way, you know what I'm talking about. No, see this candle this way. If one thing I don't like about Donald Trump is that he used Bitcoin Nashville 2024 conference in November, in September, in November, to send to his advantage, to get the votes of the youth. And since he is in the office, not even once he said something nice and specifically using the words Bitcoin. If all he has to do is just say once Bitcoin, it would have sent the price up. But if he's not doing so, that means there is a larger game under play. Maybe the exact same scenario where which I'm talking about. BlackRock and MicroStrategy, all they're doing is on each and every drop they're buying more. If their plan is to liquidate these FOMO buyers, especially retailers, then you guys need to put a fucking stop loss way above your entry. More of like adjusting your take profit in an area if you are somebody who's holding on from way back last year in November. If you were somewhere around here under 70,000, then it's okay on a spot. But if you are somebody who's trading futures, you should be worried. If this thing drops further, if this thing dropped exactly below 96,000, then we are all in a trouble. We are all in a big trouble, because that will spark a short sell never seen before, unlikely, never seen before. And again, I won't be here. I will be here. I will be showing you the results. I won't be here showing you exactly when it's happening. Yes, you heard me. And as of right now, when I was talking with you, Bitcoin is at 96,500 almost, and it's going up. We are on this buy, on this sell. Yes, I'm on this sell, where my stop loss is somewhere around here. Now here's another debate. If Bitcoin is headed upwards, then why is odd USD not going up? The same exact reason. They're liquidating the buyers. Not now, but somewhere around here. All the buyers who were here around here during the Tokyo session, they moved out, right? They took their money out. Right now, there's fresh money in New York session. All that money, mostly retailers. They're FOMO buying. They will be liquidated. And it will happen within 5 minutes. 1 5-minute candle and it's all over for them. Game over. So if you don't want to be in those, among those individuals who, get liquidated, then, be pretty much smart about your choices. If you're buying over here, I can't see the point of a buy, but sell I can. even if I get stopped out twice, thrice, even 5 times in a row, I will try to get in a short each and every time. That's how the strong sell momentum will be. But you have to put layer upon layer, not just one huge ass trade, small trade on sell, really small. See how it plays out. If it plays out good, keep on adding. If you are finally able to grab on to that one thing, that drop, just keep on adding more layers. But this is the what do you say, the smartest way to do it. There is no secret recipe ingredient that will make anybody rich. It's all about the smart choices you make. Listen, getting rich is not easy. Making millions of dollars is not easy. People fuck up, okay? Even if they are lucky, they fuck up at some point. So all you need to do is put that head in the right game, just like I'm doing right now with my Bitcoin buy, and trade what you want to, and trade what you are good at. No need to trade everything. I'm pro wolf trader, man. I fucking trade everything. And alhamdulillah, I make, I should not curse when I'm saying alhamdulillah, but bad habits, I'll try to improve it. But anyways, here's this thing. I'm in the market for more than 7-8 years, so I know what to do because I've been through it. If you are new, just stick to what works for you. If Forex, if you're good in Euro USD, stick to it. If you're good in GBP JPY, stick to it. If you're good in Bitcoin, stick to it. If you're good in gold, stick to it. Stay there for 5-6 months, then decide to go somewhere else. I utilize everything because I have daily goals, I have weekly swing trades, I have long trades. So I have to utilize each and every situation. If you're not just me, if there is a specific individual, he's live streaming out there, and if he's doing something which you think is not according to your plan, no need to follow him blindly. I have seen this people do this. There was this guy, he's a really nice crypto trader. He was on a long, and everybody on his stream was on a long, but my stance for that specific area, no, it will drop. And I had a logical reason, just sharing, and it dropped. And when it dropped, even on his stream was like, no need to cut your losses, no need to chase it. So here's this stuff. And then people texted me, some of my followers who watch him too, that he was on a buy, I was on a sell, I closed my sell, I got on my buy, and I got stopped out. I wish I had my sell running. Listen, it's all right, you learned your lesson now. So here's the thing, what you need to do. There is a stop loss and it's there for a reason. It's to help, it's there to save your equity from further losses. So stick with your plan and follow your plan through it. It either goes according to your plan, or if it doesn't, it will hit your stop loss. And if you find a hard evidence that okay, you were wrong, just close it, cut your losses. There's nothing in between. Never get influenced by anybody and close your long and short just because of that. Even if I'm shorting over here and you're sure that okay, my long makes sense, go for it. I know what I'm doing. My trade plan is different from yours. I will always come out profitable because I'm scalping, I'm swing trading, and I have far more trades, not just gold. Look at Bitcoin. I'm on this Bitcoin, right? I'm on this crude oil, right? And just like that, I have several trades running. So, never put all the eggs in the same basket. We all heard that, right? I'm utilizing it. I'm utilizing that. I don't put all my eggs in the same basket. I distribute them. I take profits and I get out. A small consistent profits is better than a huge ass profit and a huge ass loss. Small losses, small profits will build up your portfolio. And I'm not talking about yours, I'm talking about mine. Everybody has their own lot size, their own equity, and all you need to do is follow it. Nobody is gonna save you at the end of the day if things goes wrong. Remember that it's all on you, we are all alone. But strictly talking about community, I made this community for new traders and old veteran everybody, so they can be a part of something greater, and they don't need to rely on any stupid ass person trying to sell his viewpoint that okay without any logical reason. And I've been doing this far more, like 5 6 months ago. And although there are individuals who are on YouTube way before me, but I just started it late because I had other stuff going on in my life. So I started to do this late. Maybe if I would have started this channel 4 5 years ago, it would be a different story. But guess what? The real traders aren't on YouTube. They're somewhere, back there in the matrix. I just came here to, take as much people. I'm the Morpheus. Morpheus risked himself to save Neo, right? Maybe there's a Neo out there. Maybe you all are. You don't realize. So here's the drop. I don't know when the next big drop is coming. Okay, the stock market is open. Let's see. Okay, the stock market open up with a gap on Nvidia. MicroStrategy. It's exactly where it was, and I think it's going down. So Bitcoin looks good. Yeah, all we need to is wait. So here's the stuff. And yeah, guys, please like the video. I don't know why you guys don't like the video. Oh, thank you for the like. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this run. Okay, I have other stuff to do, so I'm gonna let this run. I'm gonna put either, yeah, gold, just gold. Okay, I was about to put Bitcoin, but I received a message to put gold, so okay, gold is up then. But here's the thing, let me switch it to 15 minutes. Now all we do is wait. We wait. What are we waiting for? Something is happening on Bitcoin. It's look fucking freaky. This looks freakish as fuck, man. I mean, just look at this. Ridiculous, right? Exactly. I mean, look at the way it just dropped down and it just went up. This is the exact area where I was talking about. This area is really dangerous. If it falls below this, if this would have gone down, it would have created much more problem. But actually, since yesterday, since this, remember this, it went up, was bullish, and then it came down. This is the kind of stuff that I've been really careful about. This is it's like a snake crawling downwards. This is some dangerous shit we are into. If this would have just straight went up, I would have said okay, all well done. But this went down, that means gold is next then. If the market is in a mood to sell everything. I know when I see those smart ass people in the Wall Street start selling everything. I know it when I see this. This is, you don't just go to 96 and come back to 95 like this on a 4-hourly. It means the smart ass dudes on the Wall Street, they start selling everything. This is FOMC. This is not even. I got out from this trade. I'm not joking. I just closed. I took some profit, but I closed this. Look at this shit going down now. I think we are missing something. We are missing something, guys. Check the news.